Don't choke.
Don't tickle Willie.
Do it again.
Don't tickle Willie.
What's that? What kind of dance is it? You told me.
The chicken dance.
Do it again. Just one more time.
You gotta show Bubba how to do it so she can be a pro like you.
Don't tickle Willie.